Hello friends, future health creators. Welcome to Good Life, where we help you build your brand and inspire wellness, one video at a time. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your very own health channel on YouTube in 2025, the right way with zero copyright issues and content that's ready to rank. Whether you're a fitness coach, a nutrition nerd, or just passionate about healthy living, I'll walk you through the 5 essential steps to kickstart your channel. And don't worry, I'll also share copyright safe resources and SEO hacks you can start using today. Let's go. Step 1. Choose your niche. Health is a massive category. Do you want to focus on weight loss tips, mental wellness, healthy recipes, maybe yoga or home workouts? Pick a lane and stay consistent. YouTube rewards niche content. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Choose a clean, keyword-rich channel name like Mindful Moves or Fit with Priya. Add a professional logo, banner, and an SEO-friendly description. Don't forget to include your niche keywords. Step 3. Plan your content. Start with 5 to 10 videos, ideas that solve real problems. Use titles like 7 Healthy Habits That Changed My Life, Beginner Home Workout, No Equipment, 5 Foods to Boost Immunity Naturally. Step 4. Use royalty-free assets. For music, try YouTube Audio Library or sites like Upbeat and Pixabay. For stock footages or images, check out Pixels, Videvo, or Unsplash. Always double-check the license before using. Step 5. Optimize for SEO. Use strong keywords in your title, description, and tags. Tools like Morning Fame can help you. Also say your keywords naturally in the video. YouTube listens. That's it, health heroes. Start planning, stay consistent, and make content that helps people feel better. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know your channel idea in the comments.